Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to change out your front brake pads on your 2011 Toyota Rav4. The brakes is low on this, and also the fluid. So if you when you press on the brakes, and you have to press all the way in, all the way down, and you also check the fluid level, the brakes fluid level, and it's low. That means there's a chance that your brake pads needs to be replaced, or your fluid is just low. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is break the lug nuts loose. I'm using this impact here. You can use a breaker bar. This is a 13/16, and break these loose, half a turn, then jack it up under the car by the pinch weld, and then you can take off the rest. And then you can jack it up more to take off the tire. Okay, so once you take off the tire, make sure you put a jack stand also, and the e-brakes up. You're gonna use your ratchet with a 14mm socket and loosen the bolt that's holding the caliper on. You can just take one off and just tilt this up like this, and these are your brake pads, the bracket. And then take off the old one, clean up this area here, and put some grease on the ends and put them back in like this. So you just put the inside brakes pad like this, make sure it fits in. Make sure it fits in this clip area here, just like this. And you put some grease at the contact points here and here also. Just like this. And now you have to compress the piston back into the caliper bore using a seat clamp and an old brake pads. Alright guys, so that's it. It's very easy to change out your brake pads. Put it back together, righty tighty lefty loosey. Now it's time to put the tires back on, and that's it. And make sure you pump up the brakes pedal before you start the car. The driver's side is the same as the passenger side. I already did the driver's side. Now this is the passenger side. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to see more videos. And thanks for watching. Alright, so the tires back on. I tightened the lug nuts already. Make sure you do it in a crisscross pattern, star pattern, and then you take out your jack and your jack stand, and your jack, and lower it, and that's it.